Hi, it's Brittany with Kamadu, and I want to show you how you can create rounded corners in your Wix blog feed. Um, it's not a native setting. Wix doesn't allow you to round the corners in the Wix blog feed for whatever reason. So I'm going to show you a little workaround to make it happen so that you can have a nice clean look just like this one. First thing is that we need to create an image at the right size with rounded corners. So the right size for Wix preview image, which is what shows up on the blog feed, is 512 by 386. So if you create a canvas in Canva with those dimensions and then hit round corner rounding, you can actually round the corners of the image. That's what we need. Come hit share, download, PNG, transparent background, make sure you're the right page, and then hit download. I've already done that. So let's go to Wix's blog post. I'm going to hit edit. You would be potentially creating a new blog, however it goes. Once you upload your first image into Wix, it will automatically, if we go into settings, become the featured image. So if it has rounded corners, this will also have rounded corners. And then if we check on our site, oh, our image has rounded corners. Now, that doesn't look like what this did because our site has borders. So then it still gives it that sharp corner appearance. So then what we need to do is make some modifications. Number one, we need to get rid of that border. So if we go into Wix Studio Editor and actually click on the settings for the blog post feed, then what we can do is hit Design, Posts, and then we want to remove the border, set it to 0. If we X out of there, then we can see already that then it gives us that nice, clean, rounded corner image look. The other thing to consider is if your background is not white, let's say it's black, then we'll need to make sure that when we download the image from Canva, that the background would need to be whatever the color is for the background of your website. So then when we do upload it, it makes it appear as though it is rounded corners with the back being part of the background. So it's sort of an optical illusion that we're doing here on Wix. Like I say, it's a workaround. But if you do that, then it gives it a real nice appearance, especially when you have a website that has more curved edges. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time with some more tips and tricks for small business owners. Bye.